Hi, and welcome back to Skrach. Today, we're going to make peanut brittle. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 2 cups of unsalted peanuts, 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of light corn syrup, a half cup of water, a half cup of butter, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We'll start by lining a 17.5 inch by 15 inch baking sheet with wax paper and spraying it with cooking spray. Then we'll cut our butter into approximately 1 inch cubes. Next, we'll mix together our 2 cups of sugar, a half cup of water, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a cup of light corn syrup, and bring it to a boil, stirring occasionally, over medium heat, about 7 minutes. When making candy, I like to use a heavy cast iron pot to ensure even heating. Once boiling, we'll melt in our butter and allow the temperature to rise to 280 degrees Fahrenheit before adding our 2 cups of unsalted peanuts, about 20 more minutes. We'll continue to cook this mixture until it reaches approximately 300 to 305 degrees Fahrenheit, about 10 more minutes. While it's not required, I highly recommend using a candy thermometer for this recipe. Once our brittle has reached the hard crack stage, we'll remove it from the heat and stir in our teaspoon of baking soda. This will bubble up and help aerate our brittle. Working quickly, we'll transfer it to our prepared baking pan and spread it about 1/4 of an inch thick. We'll then allow this to cool to room temperature. Once our brittle has cooled, we'll carefully remove our wax paper and break it apart by hand. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.